Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this is my Fall Colors Amaya Raine Day. Amaya Raine Day is a challenge day that Dory's Dollies and I offer each month on November 3rd. It doesn't have to be Amaya Raine. It can be any Rainbow High or Shadow High doll. And we give a theme and you can show that up any way you want. I made this little outfit for Amaya Raine. It is simply a peasant dress, or peasant top, I think it was a dress, pattern from an 18-inch doll that I cut the sleeves a little short on and added a gathered bottom. And then I just added a gather skirt to make this little outfit. I love this print. It is so Thanksgiving and fall. I mean, just from September to, well, you know, the day after Thanksgiving when we all do Christmas, actually before. So this is my Amaya Raine Fall Colors. I absolutely love this doll. If you have joined in our challenge today, could you please let everyone know, every Amaya Raine channel you go to, if you also have a video, would you let them know in the comments, and that way we can find one another. The hashtags just don't work anymore. I wish they did. It would make it so much easier. But please let us know in the comments. Aren't these cool? Darren and I found these, a bag full, at, it was his idea actually to get them. I think they were $2, 75% off. What did we get them for, 50 cents or?
Yep.
And I think they're cute in here. Let us know if you have a video today. Thank you, Dory, so much each month for the collabs and challenges we do, and I can't wait to see yours today. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.